Hello guys, welcome to Haunted Zombie Beginner Series Part 4. In this lecture, we will learn how we can use inheritance. And the inheritance is the concept of OOP, means object oriented programming. I will use this concept for reusability because I have already written the logic for movement. So same logic will apply on rock, and the rock will move through inheritance concept. And the second thing we will learn, we will reset the position of rock as we reset the position of platform. And the third thing, the Y position of the rock will not be seen. So let's go to Unity and check what does it mean. Here is the rock. First of all, the inheritance concept. Open up this script. What I have to do? Just I have to remove the mono behavior class and inherit from this, because the movement logic is written in this script. Now the next thing is the protected virtual, means if I want to access the logic or the function or the variables of the base class or parent class, then I have to write here protected virtual. Okay, the protected is the access modifier. I will explain it in my next series, so don't worry about that. This is for accessing the functionality of base class. So let's go to child class, and in child class, because I want to access the update function, that's why I have written this one to update function. So let's go. Okay, you can see this statement. Base means the base class, and the update means the function of base class. I want to access the function of base class. So let's go to Unity and check it. Okay, first of all, I will assign the Z position to this rock. This will be the position. So let's go and run it. You can see the rock is moving. So it means our inheritance concept is working. Okay, now I will duplicate this rock up to 3, and the second rock position will be 140, means 110 plus 130, 140, and the third rock will be 170. And you have noticed one thing, when I inherit the class, the 3 variables of the base class is also shown in the rock script. Like speed, this is the speed of platform, not rock. The reset position, where the rock will reset to back, and the new position. So first of all, I will assign here the rock will reset when it will reach to 52, and the new position will be 170. So let's check it out. It's not working. Why? Okay, the reason is that I have just applied the setting here. I will copy and paste it like this. So let's go and check it out. Now all rocks are moving, and you have to check the reset. Okay, reset to back again here. Now you will see the second rock will be again here. Means a reset technique or concept or logic is working. Now the one thing which I have to do, when these rocks are moving, the Y position are same. Means that down position of all the rocks are same. That's not looking cool. So what I have to do, we have to just randomize the value of Y like this. Here the third position will be here. Okay, now check it. You can see it randomly moving up and down like this. Now that's looking cool. Okay, what we have done in this lecture, we use the inheritance concept. We have reset the position of rock to back, and the third thing we have done, the Y position not be same, and the Y position is not same. That was the lecture about movement of rock. And please, one thing you have to do, like, share and subscribe my channel, and please stay with me for more advanced concept. Goodbye for now.